Cozy fall decor, ideas to make your home warm and inviting. Tired of the same old fall decorations? Let's ditch the generic and embrace unique DIY projects that scream autumn. Bring the outdoors in. Think beyond pumpkins. Gather pine cones, acorns, and colorful leaves. Arrange them in glass jars, create a stunning centerpiece, or string them together for a rustic garland. Nature's beauty is free and adds instant warmth. Lighting is key to creating a cozy atmosphere. Swap out harsh bulbs for warm, amber-toned ones. Add string lights around windows or drape them across your mantel. Candles, especially scented ones, are a must-have for fall ambiance. Introduce texture and warmth with textiles. Drape chunky knit blankets over sofas and chairs. Swap out summer throw pillows for ones in rich autumn colors like burnt orange, deep reds, and forest greens. A simple change can make a big difference. Elevate your pumpkin game. Instead of basic carving, try painting them with metallic accents or wrapping them in yarn. Create a pumpkin spice scented simmer pot with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange peels for a delightful aroma. Ready to transform your home into a cozy fall haven? Share your DIY fall decor projects in the comments.